Okay, we've had this summer house for a few years now, and it was supplied with some roofing felt, which failed, of course, not surprisingly, uh, after a number of years. I mean, it did pretty well, but it's well and truly leaking. So I got some. Well, the real trouble is that the angle of the roof is really shallow. It's way too shallow for most sort of sheet roofing materials. So what I've done is to buy some of this PVC. It's pond liner PVC. I actually fitted it in the winter back in November. Now it's now March. No, it's April, but it's quite a nice sunny day. When I fitted it in November, I couldn't get it flat because it was just so stiff in the cold. So there are quite deep ripples in it, which collected water, which was fine. It didn't leak, but not very elegant. So now it's a nice warm day. I've taken the edging off. I attached it with this copper tube, this 8mm or 10mm, and just screwed into the side, so it gets quite a neat finish, and certainly very practical. There's no breaks in the PVC at all, except for the screw holes on the side. So I'm just trying to stretch it in the sun. So I've attached some water in various containers just to apply some tension, and so hopefully just to stretch it flat while it's warm, and then I can reattach the copper fixings. So it's getting there at the moment. I think I'll start screwing the engine back on. I mean, this edging used to come down to about here, so it's good. Well, it's good 2 inches, probably maybe 3 inches further over the edge than it was when I first fitted it in the cold. So that's good. Yeah, I think I'll be okay. Okay, just moving the weights around to the corner now. Everything's attached at the back, so I'm just going to put it flat from one corner to the other, essentially. And shame I didn't take a picture before I started, but this is way better than it was. It's pretty flat now. The copper tube is attached down the backside there, dripping into the gutter. Just need to put these on as well this side. Yeah, I think we're getting there. I'll just whip these last screws in. My thinking with the copper, of course, is that it's rust free and relatively available and cheap, which is fine. These are stainless screws, which I've reused several times now. I love these screws. They just go on and on. Just keep reusing them until the heads wear out. Again, here it's got to be it's a good 3 inches extra vinyl that's come over the edge, so it is way flatter than it was. Okay, there's everything fastened around the edge, and yeah, looking much better. I should have taken a shot before doing this, but you can see these areas perhaps where the water was gathering, and it's obviously not going to do that anymore. Much better. I just need to trim around the edge now, and I'm all done. Because that's reasonably trimmed now, and I say there's a good 3 inches came off all the way around, so that's certainly much taller than it was. Just need to tidy up this corner with a stainless steel washer and a screw. Okay, that's a bit better. Good. Okay, thanks for watching.